Hi, so welcome on this first edition of Market Watch on 3rd of August. So let's have a quick look. So here we can see this is all about the financial sectors. So most of the financial and banking companies, they are in this mid region. State Bank of India just gave a very good move towards 441. Other than that, RBL Bank and Shriram Transport Finance, these are really two trending stocks which can have more weakness going forward. Also from so at the top front we have Bajaj Finance, State Bank of India, and IndusInd Bank and HDFC. These are the ones which are actually taking the market further, and these are the ones which are working. From auto sector is sort of good. Tata Motors went towards 303. Escorts also made 1224. So both of these targets were met. Even Hero Motor Corp is giving a big move towards 2800. We will see Balakrishna Industry also is very near its all-time high. From weakness, of course, there is a weakness in M&M, and together with that, Apollo Tire, as well as companies like Exide Industries, Bosch, and Bajaj Auto, they are also down. Bajaj Auto has support at 3800 and a resistance at 3840, and so this is how this particular sector, auto sector, and all the auto ancillaries are poised in today's session. Also from uh, cement sector, we can see that there's not much move which is coming, other than Grosseam have some deep buying, but cement is again not a sector for today. So let's have a quick look into FMCG. So FMCG is one of the good sectors which is right now sort of, you can see it's in the very top quadrant. There are so many companies we can see over here. Titan is definitely was a good buy, and ये हमने कल भी discuss की थी, and you can see that Titan is going towards is it made 1850, so that was a good trade, and together with that HAVELLS is also up 5%. ये भी हमने कल प्री ओपन मार्केट वॉच में डिस्कस किया था, उसका लिंक आपको अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर में मिल जाएगा. और ये United Breweries is also making an all-time high, so this is also going good. Nestle India together with ITC 210 तक गई, and Britannia. So it's a FMCG day, और FMCG में on the only weakness is in Voltas. ये हमने पहले भी हमने discuss किया था, and other than that, there's a whole space. Seems like there's a lot of interest in this particular sector as of today, और ये होना था क्योंकि there are a lot of companies which are poised to give their results, and so this move was pending. Now let's look for Emphasis. कल हमने बोला डिस्कस किया था Emphasis पे, और Emphasis is up 3% and it's trending. TCS हमने 3220 लेवल्स पे थे कल, तो हमने बोला था कि ये 3240 तक जाएगा, उसका ब्रेकआउट हम ट्रैक करेंगे. We did that and it went towards 3260. So even TCS is able to give us a very good move today. So now let's look into a quick look into the favorite sector of the market, metals. So all the metals are down, और कल भी हमने बोला था stay away from metals, and this weakness is still there. It doesn't mean that I will go ahead and short them. It's just a matter of I will wait for a reversal confirmation for me to enter the trade. But as of today, stay away from metal. The pharma sector, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Divi's Lab, these are few of the companies which are actually running. Other than that, the weakness is there in Glenmark as well as in Granules and Dr. Reddy's. I am definitely saying stay away from Dr. Reddy for now, and it's just not worth to gamble the money. Biocon हमने बोला था 388 और 392 के बीच में ही रहेगी, and this is exactly what happened today. So there is not much of action which is happening in pharma, other than a small run in Sun Pharma and Lupin. After so if you look into the charts of Lupin, you will see that this is a sort of a rounding bottom which is getting formed, and it's getting ready to reverse from here. Other than that, we have so if we look into all the trending stocks, so we have Britannia, Cummins, Aarti Industries is also it हमने ये ब्रेकआउट हमने 900 का ट्रैक किया था एंड टुडे इट वेंट टुवर्ड्स 980. दिस एन ऑल टाइम हाई. टुगेदर विद दैट यू हैव Cummins India together with Bharat Forge. हमने सुबह कल ही हमने बोला था कि Bharat Forge is one of the best companies to trade, and I took the trade in the morning. It went towards 820 and right now is trying to get a support at 800. So this was a good trade जो हमने कल डिस्कस की थी. Or together with that you have a weakness or profit booking from higher levels at Bata India as well as Apollo Hospital and NAVINFLUOR. And from weakness perspective, Adani Enterprise, Bosch, Exide, IRCTC it was unable to touch 2500 and right now it's down below 2460 levels. But I am pretty sure that there will be buying coming from 2450 levels and we will see. मुझे यही लगता है कि buying आनी चाहिए. Other than that, weakness is also there in companies like Indus Tower and Bajaj Auto, which are coming in trend. When we look at a strong trend and strong positions जहाँ पे लोग volume के साथ घुस रहे हैं, that's actually UBL in the long side and Voltas on the short side. और Voltas short करने की राय हमने कल भी डिस्कस की थी. So if you look into all the Nifty 50 of how Nifty 50 is poised from here, so you can see in the top quadrant we have names like Bajaj Finance, HDFC. Though HDFC is showing is weak in the sense that कि जहाँ पे open हुआ वही high था, but still it's able to maintain the 2450 2460 levels. ये जो उसकी जो support है उससे ऊपर ही है and it seems like buying is coming. Other than that you have Tata Motors and IndusInd Bank. So these are few. ITC भी 210 तक है. So these are few of the sectors which are actually giving strength to Nifty. So here in the middle segment you have a few Bajaj Finserv, and you have State Bank of India, you have TCS, you can see you have Nestle over here, and then on the top of that you also have companies like Infi over here and Tech Mahindra over here, as a result of which, and Wipro is also near about 1% up, though today is again daily weakness here. But if you look from day to day intraday weakness है, but if you look from a daily perspective then कल से ये 1% up है. So this is how it looks, that the market is really good. Now if you look into weakness, so Reliance was unable to go towards 2100 levels, and it seems like this is going to be a resistance for Reliance going forward. Other than that you have HDFC Life, NTPC, ICICI Bank is weak, but ICICI Bank के advantage है कि ICICI Bank is stuck between 675 and 685 since last 3-4 sessions after the result, as a result of which this is not going to bring down Nifty until and unless the levels of 670 or 660 are broken. Other than that you have ACL Tech, and also you have all the steel sector companies like Tata Steel, JSW Steel and Hindalco over here. You also have weakness in ONGC for example, and so from a trade perspective Nifty looks good and there is no way I am going to short Nifty. The only weakness which can come is if profit booking comes in these top quadrant companies, especially say if State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, ITC, ये अगर Britannia, so these Tata Motors, so if these companies are able to hold their ground, so there is no way that Nifty is going to break. So going forward, what is the strategy? The strategy is very simple, that I will not short Nifty until and unless I really see a structural damage in the Nifty chart, and about long I will stay with some of the stocks which I just mentioned, which are in trend, where value based where volume based buying is happening, and so I will try to enter that for today. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to help you. I will try to post some stock ideas and some trade ideas in the after 12:30. Bye bye.